Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about the fact that manifesting is not meant to be hard, so stop trying to make it hard. Manifesting is easy. Manifesting is easy. Say it with me now. Manifesting is easy. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. This has been very long awaited for me, but I have just launched my course. I have been working on this bad boy for 3 months. It is the Manifest Your SP course, and it is a sacred capsule made by me. I put my soul, heart, everything into this. This is a 14-week course that guides you step by step by step on how to manifest your SP. If you would like a structured class that goes into depth, but at the same time keeps it very simple, where you have a video of me talking every single week about what to do this week, and then what to do this week, and then what to do this week for 14 weeks, where I keep you in check, I keep you in line. I provide homework for you. So you get a notebook and you do the work with me. I provide you with manifesting your SP affirmations to do with the specific module that I will be talking about for the week, and I tell you to repeat it as much as possible. I include 1 to 3 of my favorite best affirmations for the week. And of course, there is text guiding you step by step from beginners of what I require you to do in this module, what this module specifically means, what the topic means, and going further into depth about this week's module until we finish the course and you manifest your SP. If you would like to sign up, the link will be in the description box down below, but you can literally just go to RitaKaminski.com and click the Manifest Your SP course. Manifesting is not hard, okay? All it is deciding that what you want right now is here in your reality. Period, point blank. We are not overcomplicating anything. We are using techniques and other pieces of information as a guide, as help, as something extra, but to be honest, you don't need extra. All you need to do is literally just decide. Nothing else is required of you. It's not like if you don't know this information, you'll never be able to manifest. I want you to consistently remind yourself to strip down absolutely every single thing that you may think you need to manifest. Consistently shed off that old skin. We're new and better now. We have learned so much, and we are old enough to know, we are master manifestors enough to know that all of this information that we've learned is just extra, it's just add-ons, but we're not making it the end all and be all. I get so many questions from my members only, from my clients, from everyone in the comments down below asking different types of questions and different types of limiting beliefs. And I understand that, and you are more than welcome to ask, but I want to just address everyone right now. You just need to decide that what you are manifesting is actually in your reality right now. It is here right now in the 4D, and it's trickling its way down into the 3D. It just depends on your resistance. But don't even look at that. It does not matter. You are powerful enough to just decide. I don't give a fuck about who else says what. Nothing else needs to be done. It's literally as simple as deciding what you want for lunch. That's literally how easy it is, guys. Please set yourself free from the chains of these techniques. Oh, but Rita, how am I meant to decide? You just decide. How did I just decide that I want to get Hello Kitty nails after this video? I literally just decided I want Hello Kitty nails. I'm gonna get them done. That's literally it. How did I decide I want to buy a white linen set? I saw a girl on the street wearing it and I'm like, damn, that looks fire. Let me cop that outfit. That's it. How did I decide that I want to wear a grey top today? I used my brain. As soon as I decide that I am going to wear this top, that's it. It's already done. Nothing is stopping me from wearing that top. All I have to do is take inspired action in order to put that grey top on my body. Don't tell me that you don't need to put in action, because you kind of do, in terms of the fact that sitting down and doing nothing is action. We live in a 3D world. We are putting in action all the time. So doing nothing is also inspired action. Don't get it twisted. So yeah, you don't need to do anything in order to manifest your SP. You don't need to do anything to manifest green eyes or being more stylish or losing weight. Having limiting beliefs doesn't matter. Having a high self-concept doesn't matter. These are all add-ons to help you. But again, it's the same mentality that we are looking something outside of ourselves. How about just saying, I'm motherfucking perfect right now. I have a perfect self-concept. Every fucking thing is perfect about me, and it's just deciding. I tweeted this out yesterday, like, what is the point in worrying when all you can do is just assume the thing in your favor? So if I'm worrying about money right now, I can turn around and remind myself, hey, I'm the creator of my reality. I earn $1,000 a day. That's it. That's all it is. It's really as simple as that. You don't need to believe it. You don't need to sit there and shit yourself and try to understand that it is in the state right now. You just decide that you earn $1,000 a day, just like you decide that you're wearing a grey top. It may not be on your body right now, but it's finna be. Before we continue, I want to thank Keen for sponsoring today's video. Keen connects you with talented tarot readers and astrologers that provide you with a deeper understanding of your personal situation. I always love using tarot cards and Keen because it gives me so much clarity on whether or not I'm in the right state. These readers have unique specialties designed to help you with your specific situation. Do you want to know if your subconscious mind is reflecting your desired reality? Do you want to know, based on your current state and techniques, whether or not they'll reach out? Keen has a reader at the ready for you, and the thing is, you are in control. You have so many readers ready to connect via phone call or messages instantly. Go to trykeen.com/Rita or click the first link in the description box down below to get your first 5-minute reading for $1. So yeah, whether I do robotic affirmations or do sats or don't do anything at all and literally thrive and live my best life, I decided that I have 1 million subscribers and it is on its way to me now. Not my job to decide when, how, whatever. I'm not resisting anything. As soon as I'm thinking, but where are my 1 million subscribers? Not that I do. But if I would say, I have 1 million subscribers now and it is on its way to me. Again, don't have to believe, just decide. So let's practice. Let's do a little bit of an exercise. Would you rather go to Antarctica or the Sahara Desert? A or B? Right? You've made your decision. That's exactly what it is when you have decided that you're in a relationship with your SP. It's a calm, clear knowing. Your mind might be like, but that's bullshit. That's not real. I'm not experiencing it in my 3D right now, so this isn't real. Doesn't matter. It does not matter that you think that. It literally does not matter. All you have to do is keep persisting in that decision. Whether it is doing techniques, following your happiness, doing any TikTok technique, whatever. You can do anything and you can switch it up every single day. There are literally no rule. You can do 500 techniques, you can do one, you can go on the Parrot app, you can do anything that you want. I promise. So as soon as you find yourself overcomplicating the law, come back to this video. Because I guarantee you it's not that deep. It's not that serious. It was never that serious. So let's have fun with this and do things that suit us and know that whatever we do is enough. That's another thing. We have to trust ourselves and in the law. We have to know that as soon as we decide it is coming into our 3D reality. Period. Not in 3 years, not in a decade. We're just deciding that it is coming. It's coming. Not gonna take a long time. Because sometimes when I say instantly, that gives me a little bit of resistance. And I'm sure that does for you too, because you're like, but where is it? Even though you can do that and it can come instantly. Sometimes it's easier. Like, guys, you just have to make this as easy as possible for yourselves. That's literally it. So don't overcomplicate the law. You can manifest anything that you want. Trust yourself in knowing that every single thing that you do or not do is literally enough. It is enough. Trust in yourself. The way that I manifest is absolutely perfect. You might get inspired action to robotically affirm all day. Take that action. You might get inspired action to stop robotically affirming. Give yourself a break, or literally just stop and just do sats. Know that every single thing you do is literally leading you to your manifestation. But whether you do or do not do anything, as long as you are deciding and consistently bringing yourself back to that decision, as much as it takes for your manifestation to come, like, I don't give a fuck. I am not Jesus Christ, so I'm not here to tell you exactly when your stuff is going to come to you. That's up to you. But I know that if we are persisting and consistently reminding ourselves that it's already done, that we are in a relationship with our SP, that we are 60 kilograms, that we have the curviest body, that we have 1 million followers on TikTok, that no matter what we do, everything in our life is perfect. All it takes is a decision, and then bringing yourself back to that decision, bringing yourself back to that decision, bringing yourself back to that decision as much as it fucking takes. As much as it fucking takes. Don't be a pussy. Don't decide once and then be like, oh, you know, I'm gonna put my tail between my legs and give up because it hasn't happened. Are you like, okay, keep going. Like, keep going. Like, you don't get your degree in one day. Sometimes you do. Keep your mind open to limitless possibilities, but don't get discouraged when it doesn't happen today. Keep going. Keep deciding over and over and over again until that motherfucking man comes crawling on his knees to your feet at 3 a.m. in the morning and you get a little bit scared. And he keeps persisting and persisting and persisting you until you finally say, yes, I accept your apology. I'm gonna let you persist just as much as I've persisted in the fact that you're going to apologize. So, you know, I persisted in a week. Let that man beg for a week. I'm joking. Or do whatever you want. I ain't your mama. Like, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I don't have 1 million subscribers yet. What do I do? The law of assumption doesn't work. I'm so bad at manifesting. What have I done wrong? You've done nothing wrong. The only thing that you've done wrong is you stop persisting. Like, just keep deciding. Like, just keep deciding. Like, just keep deciding. Just keep deciding. Just keep deciding. Just keep deciding. Do I want my desired reality or do I want to stay here in this dump? Oh, I want my desired reality. So keep deciding. Let's keep deciding, okay? Just keep deciding. Just decide and then decide some more and then you're going to decide. And then you're going to take a break. And jokes, you're never taking a break, you're deciding. And then you're going to decide again. And then you're going to decide again. And then you're going to decide again until that manifestation comes to you. Like the full manifestation. The full manifestation, the whole enchilada, okay? You've got this. Do not complicate the law. Do not try to figure it out. Because here's the thing. You are in an asking mode. Stop being in an asking mode. Asking, questioning. Am I doing this right? Is there something else that I need to know? Asking. Turn your asking mode into receiving mode. There is nothing I need to figure out. Not now, not ever. Everything that I'm doing is perfect. I'm following my happiness on a moment-to-moment basis because it's already in the bag. It's already coming to me. And whenever I'm wavering, I'm just redirecting and deciding that I have my thing. I have my SP. I have $1 million in my bank account. I have 1 million subscribers. You get it. I know you get it. I know you know. And I know you know I know. And I'm not going to keep on going, but you get it. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.